Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead. This one comes from the company Samcart, and they come very highly rated from current and previous employees. They get a 4.4 out of 5-star rating on Glassdoor. And they are hiring a customer support specialist for their billing and retention department. Now, this is all done non-phone through email, and this is remote for my United States folks only. Of course, if you're interested in putting that application in, the links to both their Glassdoor page and this application page are in the YouTube description box below this video. But as a customer support specialist, your primary responsibility is going to be providing support to their customer base. Now, Samcart is an online e-commerce software platform built for creators to sell digital products and other kinds of things online. And so you will be responding to customer inquiries via fresh desk email. You assist customers with issues pertaining to platform usage, pricing, subscription management per Samcart policy, understanding and identifying their customer pain points, and help drive any escalations towards leadership. You'll also become a knowledge expert regarding the Samcart products, pricing, features, so you can help the customers and act as a liaison between the customers and other departments that they might need help from, such as sales and marketing and those types of things. You'll also be addressing and solving customer billing questions and issues within the established policies and processes. Now, they are looking for somebody who has the ability to work a weekend split schedule when needed, so it doesn't say that it's all the time, but when needed, it would either be Tuesday through Saturday with Sunday and Monday off, or a Sunday through Thursday with Friday and Saturday off, so only one weekend day. Now, they are not requiring any kind of a college degree for this position. They are looking for somebody who has some kind of experience working with a software as a solution company, somebody who has 2 years experience in some kind of customer support role. Of course, you have to have great communication skills. You need to be tech savvy and a critical thinker. Now, as far as pay goes, they are paying anywhere from $50,000 a year all the way up to $58,000 a year. And of course, they include a benefit package that includes health insurance, 401k, paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments, and also give this video a thumbs up like button if you found this job lead or any job leads that I share helpful. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.